Have you ever felt like you're paying too much for something that's supposed to be simple? Like you're getting hit with a bunch of hidden fees, or the service just isn't living up to its reputation? That's exactly how I started to feel about my crypto exchange. For years, I was a die-hard Coinbase user. It was the first platform I ever used to buy Bitcoin. It was easy, it was the big name, it felt safe. But over time, things started to change. The fees felt higher, the features felt a little basic. The shine started to wear off. I'm here today to talk about why I made the switch. This isn't a sponsored video. This is just my experience, and I think it's a story a lot of you can relate to. We all get started on the easy platform, but as we get more serious, as we want more control, as we want to save money, we start looking for something better. And for me, that something better was Gemini. Let's start with the basics, because for a lot of you, this is the most important part: fees. When I first started on Coinbase, I didn't even think about fees. I was just happy to own a piece of Bitcoin. But as my portfolio grew, those small percentages started to add up. Coinbase has a fee structure that, for new users and small trades, can be pretty high. You're often paying a spread fee and a transaction fee. It's a convenience fee for how simple the app is to use. And for a long time, I was willing to pay that premium. But then I discovered Gemini's active trader platform. Now, a lot of people see Gemini and think it's just for institutions or big players. And their standard app is very similar to Coinbase in terms of simplicity and fees. But if you're willing to take a tiny bit of extra effort and switch over to their active trader interface, the difference is night and day. On Active Trader, you are using a traditional maker-taker fee model, which for me, meant my fees dropped dramatically. We're talking about going from paying a few percent on a trade to a fraction of a percent. Over the course of a year, that adds up to serious savings that I can put back into my portfolio. It's a complete game changer if you're making more than just a couple of small trades a year. It's a feature that proves Gemini is built for people who are serious about crypto, not just dabbling. But fees are only part of the story. The next big reason for my switch was security and trust. I know what you're thinking: Coinbase has never been hacked. And that's a powerful statement. They've done a great job with their cold storage and insurance. But Coinbase has also had some concerning incidents lately, including a data breach earlier this year that exposed personal information for a lot of users. While no funds were lost, it was a wake-up call for me. It highlighted the importance of a platform that not only secures my funds, but my personal data as well. Gemini, on the other hand, has never had a major security breach. Their reputation is built on being a security-first, regulation-focused company. They were one of the first to get a New York BIT license, they're regularly audited, and their commitment to institutional-grade security is baked into everything they do. For me, that meant a level of peace of mind that I just wasn't feeling with Coinbase anymore. When you're trusting a company with your hard-earned money, especially in a space like crypto, that trust is everything. Gemini's track record is pristine, and that's not something you can say about every exchange, even the big ones. Beyond the core exchange features, Gemini also has some fantastic offerings that I've come to rely on. One of my favorite is the Gemini credit card. This isn't a regular credit card. You get crypto rewards on every single purchase, and you can choose which crypto you want to get rewarded in. I'm currently getting a higher percentage back on my dining and groceries than I ever did with my old card, and those rewards are going straight into my Bitcoin stack. It's a seamless way to dollar cost average into crypto without even thinking about it. Coinbase has its own card, but Gemini's is more flexible and the reward structure feels more rewarding. It's an easy win. Another big factor for me was the range of assets and the overall ecosystem. Coinbase has a lot of coins, a ton of them. But sometimes, they can be a little slow to list new assets, and their selection can feel a bit saturated. Gemini is more selective, but their focus on quality and compliance means I know that any asset they list has been thoroughly vetted. They also have a great NFT marketplace called Nifty Gateway, which is something I've been getting more into. It's not just a trading platform, it's a full-fledged ecosystem for a crypto enthusiast. Of course, no platform is perfect, and I have to be honest about the downsides of Gemini. The biggest one, in my opinion, is customer support. Coinbase, for all its faults, has made some big improvements in this area recently with 24/7 phone support for some regions. Gemini's support can still feel a bit slow and relies mostly on email. If you have a pressing issue, this can be frustrating. It's something I hope they continue to improve on, because it's probably the one area where Coinbase still has a slight edge. Another thing to consider is the user interface. While I love the Active Trader platform for its functionality, the standard Gemini app can feel a little less polished than Coinbase. Coinbase has always been the champion of user-friendliness, and for a brand new beginner, its app is still probably the easiest to navigate. But once you get past the very basic buy-sell stage, the value of Gemini's more powerful tools far outweighs the slightly less intuitive design of its main app. So, to wrap it all up, the decision to switch was a gradual one. It wasn't one big event, but a series of small ones. The feeling that my money could be working harder, that my portfolio could be growing faster, that my security could be even tighter. Coinbase was a great starting point. It taught me the ropes. But as I grew, I needed a platform that could grow with me. I needed lower fees, a stronger security posture, and a more robust set of features. I found that in Gemini. It's a platform built for the long game, for the serious investor, and for anyone who wants to take control of their crypto journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.